The next topic is the conveyor control in SCL. This is the HMI that is designed. In this HMI, we have a simple bag, and we have the control to motor 1 here. This conveyor is controlled by motor 1. We have light barrier in here. We have a pusher here and motor 2 that will take the bag outside. Let me reset. Reset and put it in automatic and press start. Motor 1 is running from here. You can see that some variables are available in this window. We have the emergency stop and fault for motor 1 here. We have emergency stop and fault for motor 2 that is available here. Emergency stop and fault for element 3 that is the pusher. We can put the drive in manual and click run by inching only. We developed that in this stage for motor 1 and motor 2. This is the in this step, this is the X position of the bag in the HMI. When it passes the light barrier 1, it will turn on and off. When it reaches the position for these two light barriers, it will, you can see that it's activated. We have you can see that here the X position is constant and Y position is changing, and light barrier 4 is here too. When light barrier 4 is we have pulse, part counter here is increasing, and what we have, acknowledge, reset, a star, inch. If there is a fault, we need to press acknowledge. Let us generate stop, emergency stop in here. Consider we have the problem solved, but we need to press acknowledge, and start again. This is the runtime for motor 1. This is runtime in second for motor 2. Runtime for first motor in hour, and this is the runtime for second motor in hour. This is the part counter. Part counter is somehow relative to this sensor. When we reach here, the pusher, we wait for 5 seconds, and then pusher will push the bag out of the out of this area, and motor 2 will receive and will move the bag out of the this area in this conveyor, and part counter will be incremented here. So again, same cycle. I want to put this system in manual, and by pressing inching, V1 motor 1, and then remove the manual, start again, and if the function is the system is working as it's intended. So I keep the system working without my voice, and several cycles, you watch several cycles to understand what's the concept.